Dear friends, my purpose of life is to improve your quality of life. And through Ayushakti channels, I will keep on sharing effective health tips that you can use in your life and feel healthy and happy. So today's episode is specially dedicated to all my friends Sangini. In Hindi, Sangini means girlfriends. So I am going to talk to you like friends today because I have gone through that experience and I am sure many of us are going through that. So today's topic is menopause, mood swings and depressions or emotional up and down. Women, we all, according to ancient Indian philosophy, are a form of Shakti. Shakti means a female energy which has ability to do multitask. We have such a patience that we can understand people with patience, and because of ability to understand people we can lead lots of people. That's what recently have been found. And we are normally calm and we can handle every situation where there is stress with great poise and calm. But the time of perimenopause, which begins at like 45, 43 years of age, is a challenging time. This 5 to 7 years, which begins 43, 45 years of age, goes on till 50, 52, 53. That time is slightly challenging time for women because hormones drop down, and these hormones which drop down suddenly create so many changes that we feel we are not we are somebody else now. So women in this period go through typically a very typical emotional pendulum. So on one moment the mood is up high and suddenly something goes wrong, even a small thing, which doesn't demand that big reaction, the mood is going down, zoom. So it goes up and down. It's like a pendulum. And you never know what can trigger sudden anger, irritation or depression. But small things can just trigger anything. Let me share with you a very interesting story, and that's a typical story of every woman. That's why I would like to share with you. I was working in London last year, actually in May, and a couple came, middle age, like 40, mid 40. I took the pulse of the wife and I told her that you have hormonal imbalance happening and your vata is going up high. Because of that, body is bloated on one side, so you are gaining weight, can't control weight even if you do the diet. You feel very tired, sometimes little bit stiffness here and there, and mood swing. So she said, yeah, I feel tired and my weight is actually gaining. I'm not able to control, even if I do diet, exercise, nothing works. But mood swing, I think I don't feel that. And suddenly husband jumped in. Ask me. I am facing it. You don't know. Doctor, please help my wife. I want to get back my original wife. So I started working with diet, lifestyle and herbs. And I told her 6 months you do as I am saying. In November, they came to see me again. I checked the pulse and it was really settled. The Vayu was settled, the hormones looked better. She said, you know what, I am feeling so calm and relaxed. Just in 2 months, I saw the change, and now I know what is it when you live without mood swing. I feel like how I was originally. And the husband said, thanks, you got my wife back in my life. I just gave some home remedies, few dietary changes, and I told her to do this for next 10 years. because that's the time she will face it. And I also recommended Suryoday formula of Ayushakti, which is very natural, just like eating your own food. And she is still continuing today, feeling better. So what is the Ayushakti and Ayurveda's approach to that? Or what does modern science say about it? So according to modern science, ovaries, the reproductive system, specially produces a kind of a hormone which helps ovulate every month. And this hormone actually helps also regulate serotonin secretions. So actually women have a kind of a ovulatory hormones which also helps secrete a good level of serotonin in the body. And serotonin always helps us to stay calm, poised in any stressful condition. And that's why, normally women have more stress bearing capacity when everything is okay and normal. But after 45, when the hormones suddenly deplete, and believe me, it just happens like 1 second the hormones are down and the mood goes down like zoom. And another second there are good hormones, mood just soars up. And it's just going like that, it's completely unpredictable. According to Ayurveda, it is because of the vata increased. Whenever you get old, like 40, 45, 50, every person they get increased vata in their system. Women get, men get, both. And this increased vata dehydrates secretions in our nervous system and also in the ovaries, and because of that all of this mood swing, depression, anxiety increases, sometimes even sleeplessness, difficulty falling asleep. These are the symptoms after 45 years of age, very common among women. Ayurveda focuses on balancing vata and nourishing the nervous system, so the natural secretions begin to happen anyways. Now Ayushakti's approach is using diet, lifestyle, kitchen formulas and herbs to keep everything under balance, so that you go through this stage of menopause without pausing your life, and smoothly you pass through and remain as happy and healthy as ever. So in the diet, it is very important that you follow and stop everything which produces toxins, ama in the body, blocks the metabolic processes like wheat, red meat, deep fried and fermented food should be completely avoided, because they increase toxins and they bloat you and they deplete the mood. You should actually start taking lots of fruits, vegetables in your diet, especially lots of vegetables, 60% vegetables, 30% protein and 10% carbs is the most important diet in this age, especially in the morning. If you want to keep your mood actually stable, it's important to cut down your carbs by half at least. I would even say 25%, but at least half. So when you have a breakfast, if you are taking toast or cereals or anything, upma, poha in Indian scenario, that's our breakfast, but Western is always porridge and cereal and bread and all those things. Cut it down to 25% of the quantity that you were taking, at least 50% is advisable, and replace it by soaked almonds and walnuts and pistachio. Because almond, walnut, pistachio has protein, but they also nourish our nervous system very well. After 45, it's important that we cut down completely carbohydrate from our diet, especially in the morning. I would recommend that you cut down your carbs by 50%, at least ideally by 75%, which means bread, porridge, or on the Indian side upma, poha, idli, all of these are carbs. So take only 25% of the quantities that you have been taking and replace them by soaked walnut, almonds and pistachio. In fact, if you are used to taking a toast, put a lot of paste of almond on top of it. So you feel very full just by taking one toast. Instead of butter or ghee, just put a lot of almond paste. And so that's another option you can have. And almond and pistachio, walnut, these three especially are nourishing the nervous system. If you take them like 10 to 15 every morning, trust me, you will have abundant energy, no tiredness, but lots of mental and emotional energy, emotional balance. With that, do this home remedy regularly. It should contain 1 teaspoonful of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoonful of fennel seed powder, quarter teaspoonful of ajwain seed powder or wild celery seed powder, half a teaspoon of black salt, a pinch of hing asafoetida, and 1 teaspoon of gotu kola powder, gotu kola or brahmi powder. Take this combination in half a glass of water, and this mixture you should drink it at least 2 times a day. It helps with the nervous system, but basically it is also something that balances hormones naturally. And it's all natural, there is no hormone, but it helps your own body to balance. You should regularly start doing pranayam, especially after 45 years of age, because it helps a lot to balance emotions and hormones. Anulom Vilom every day at least for 5 to 7 minutes. Then Kapal Bhati with Shitali pranayam helps a lot. Ujjayi, this kind of Ujjayi pranayam helps a lot. And even simple sitting in Padmasana or just cross-legged on the floor, or if you can't sit on the floor, just sitting on the sofa with both the legs flat on the floor like that, and observing your breath for 5 to 10 minutes can just calm down your emotions so easily and make you feel relaxed. Ayushakti's certain formulas are very natural and very effective. In fact, I took it also when I became 45 until today. For 10 years I have been taking it. Suriday, which is very natural, is a combination of all herbs, but basically it works on naturally balancing hormones and metabolic cycle of our body. And because of that, it also helps balance emotions. So, emotional balancing, metabolic and hormones, and it is all combination of herbs. It's just like eating food, you know, and it's very safe. So, besides that, Ayushakti's Sumedha tablet, Sumedha has Bacopa muniera or Neera Brahmi we call it, Brahmi powder, Ashwagandha, several such combination of herbs, Shankhapushpi, which are actually very effective in balancing the mood. It helps in depression, anxiety, and there are scientific reports published in universities around the world on these ingredients that within just few weeks they settle the mood, they uplift the mood as well. So, depression is taken care of, anxiety is taken care of, and you can also over a period of time, if you take them regularly, it can improve your memory, concentration, and also your sleep quality. So, my dear friends, today I was trying to help you pass through this natural phase of menopause. If you have any questions in your life, get back to me and I will be more than happy to help you.